Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on prisms and cylinders, common features. Prisms have at least two faces which are directly opposite each other. These faces are exactly the same shape and size. Let's look at some examples. Firstly, the rectangular prism. The rectangular prism has a yellow top and a base which is exactly the same shape and size. So this yellow top here, which is a rectangle, has a base underneath, we can't see it, which is the same shape and size. The green face to the right has another face to the left with the same shape and size. So that green face there has another face opposite, the same shape and size. The blue face to the front has another face to the back, which is exactly the same shape and size. So let's look at another example of a prism. This one is a triangular prism. The green face at the top, which is this one, has another face on the base, which is exactly the same shape and size. So the base is underneath and we can't see it. So that's what distinguishes a prism. It has a base and then it extends in one direction, and the face opposite the base is exactly the same. Rectangular prisms in real life. So here are some examples of rectangular prisms in real life. We've all seen the tissue box. I'm sure we've all seen, and we have cereal boxes in our home. Timber, used by builders. A lot of timber is in the shape of a prism. Different type of prism. Could be a square prism or a rectangular prism like this one. And also bricks, which are used in building. All examples of prisms in real life. Cylinders have a circular base and a circular top. These circles are exactly the same shape. So the base of this cylinder is exactly the same size as the blue top. Now here are three examples of cylinders in real life. The candle, perfect example. The cylinders in engines, they could be car engines, truck engines, or any type of engine. Normally they have perfect cylinders. And also drink cans are examples of cylinders in real life. So this video has introduced us to prisms and cylinders and has shown us some common features where particular faces are exactly the same as other faces.